Welcome to ELPCC-TV. I am pleased to show you the results of the shooting meteors via 1.3 MP USB camera module, which I bought your 1.3 MP Arkansas 0130 1/3 color CMOS mini size USB 2.0 interface. I used it for photography and video Perseid meteors. Every Perseid meteor is a tiny piece of the comet Swift-Tuttle, which orbits the Sun every 133 years. Each swing through the inner solar system can leave trillions of small particles in its wake. When Earth crosses paths with Swift-Tuttle's debris, specks of comet stuff hit Earth's atmosphere and disintegrate in flashes of light. These meteors are called Perseids because they seem to fly out of the constellation Perseus. I send you a photo and video of meteors, which I made using your camera. You can see how falling meteors, burning up in the Earth's atmosphere, and they've traveled billions of miles before their kamikaze run into Earth's atmosphere.
Yeah.